Alaska's airline. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use Alaska Airline Companion Fare. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First, check if you are eligible or not. Make sure you have a valid Alaska Airlines Companion Fare voucher, usually provided with the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature Card. Then log into your mileage plan account and look under Discount and Companion Fare codes on your profile to find your voucher. Then verify each voucher is valid for a specific time period, so check the expiration date before booking your flight. Then log in and start booking. Go to the Alaska Airlines website and sign in with your credentials. Enter your destination, travel dates, and flight preferences. Then apply the companion fare. When selecting flights, look for the option to add companion. Enter your companion fare code when prompted. Now complete the purchase. First review your booking details and proceed to payment. Once you pay for the first ticket, the companion ticket will be automatically added at a discounted rate. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.